January 7, 2026 marked a huge milestone for China's aviation. Two brand new J-35A stealth fighters were spotted flying together, showing the world that these advanced jets are no longer just experiments. They are officially being mass-produced. While the Navy version is built for aircraft carriers, this J-35A version is designed specifically for land-based air forces. Because it doesn't need the heavy gear for sea landings, it's lighter, carries more fuel, and can fly much further. Think of it as a digital hunter in the sky. It uses two powerful engines to reach incredible speeds, and its special shape makes it almost invisible to enemy radars. Inside, it's packed with smart sensors that give the pilot a 360-degree view of the battlefield. When you load it with long-range missiles, it can take down targets from hundreds of kilometers away before the enemy even knows it's there. But the most interesting part of this story is the connection to Pakistan. Even though officials from both sides are being very careful with their words, the signs are all there. We've seen reports of Pakistani pilots training in China, and rumors that the first batch of 40 jets could arrive as early as 2027. If this deal happens, it's a total game changer for South Asia. It would give the Pakistan Air Force a massive head start in stealth technology, especially since other regional programs are still years away from being ready. For Pakistan, this isn't just about getting new planes. It's about jumping into the future of air warfare. It levels the playing field and gives them a high-tech edge that will be felt across the entire region for years to come.